Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to change the electric mirror switch on our 03 Tundra. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. We're going to take off the main window switch. Like do that. I pull up on it. Tab in the front, tab in the back. Pretty easy, just one good pull up. I'm going to disconnect the electrical. Pushing down on the electrical tab and releasing it. Here we have the main power switch for our 03 Tundra, and you have power windows, mirror, power mirror, and the windows, door locks and window lock. To remove and replace the electric mirror switch, you flip over the main switch, and it's two tabs, one on both sides. I take a flathead screwdriver and I just push down on it. And then push down on this side. Push that switch right through. To replace it, you just reverse procedure. And you don't even need the screwdriver, you're just gonna both sides, push down, and there it is. So I'm going to connect the window switch in the back. Tab goes down. Line the tab up, push it up in there. Okay, clear the wires. This is just a straight push down. There's no hooks or eyelets. Snaps right down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.